Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel.
Do you want to make thousands of dollars per month without AdSense, without CPA marketing, and without affiliate marketing? Maybe you don't want to sell anything and still make money from YouTube? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to grow a completely new channel from scratch without making your own videos, how to make thousands of dollars from it without selling, and how to make passive income as you sleep. And if you stay all the way to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a quick tip that can double your revenue. Just give me a few minutes of your time and make sure you stay all the way to the end. But this method is only for you if you want to make money online, if you want to travel the world, and if you want to work from home with just your laptop and internet connection. But before that, if you like videos about how to grow, monetize, and automate a YouTube channel, make sure to slap that subscribe button and tick notification bell. I wanted to show you quickly how you can make $10,000 with this strategy I'm about to show you. And it's actually pretty simple. Step number one is going to be find useful information. If we go to youtube.com and search to how to get better focus, we can click on enter and we can see what's going on here. Here you can see how to get your brain to focus by this guy, 5 ways to build focus and concentration by College Info Greek. I love Thomas Frank over here. Stay focused, 11 psychological tips. And the reason you need to find good information is because the more knowledge you have, the smarter you are at one particular topic, the better it's going to be. And that means you're going to go through all of these different videos and you are going to need to really focus deep on the video and write down some bullet points that are valuable, that you saw value in. And don't worry, you don't have to write the best bullet points. You don't have to write out every single sentence. Use it all in your own style. Write a few bullet points, a few tips, a few mistakes, a few habits, a few things that will actually help somebody else. Here you literally have a well of knowledge, some of the best knowledge about how to get more focused, be more productive. You can definitely use that to your advantage. If we go into step number 2, make a Skillshare course. But what it is a way for you to basically teach people how to do all different sorts of things. And you don't even need an audience, you don't need a following, you don't need anything to start here because they already have the audience for you. So you can tap into Skillshare and sell courses that make a lot of money fast without needing anything to start. And you can even start for completely 100% for free. And if we just go to the top here, we can, for example, search for focus or self-help, which is a massive niche that a lot of people really enjoy. Here you can see self-help, how to create and maintain good habits. That's probably something you could easily find information on YouTube. And I'm going to share you a tiny little secret in a second that will make this a lot easier for you. So make sure you stick along. Also like the video, subscribe to this channel. Do not miss out on my next video. But you can see that this video right here, literally 3 steps here. But I don't like this one in particular. I'm going to show you a different one. So this one, it is a masterclass essentially on focus. And it has 1,526 students. Isn't that crazy? And when you check out the video, he is literally just talking into the microphone while having a simple PowerPoint presentation and some images in the background. Do you see how easy this is? Do you think that this is something you could be doing? You can even find stock free images on pexels.com, and just like he is doing, you can literally just take any of these pictures or images or videos and add it into your own presentation. But essentially it's just making a PowerPoint presentation, and you made a PowerPoint presentation before in probably school or work, right? You are going to make thousands of dollars for it. We can even go to Brian N.C. Bolt, and you can see that he is a teacher right here. And if we just go into his profile here on Skillshare, you can see that he's teaching how to quickly cure workout procrastination and stay motivated all year long, which is all just self-help. 5-minute study motivation, Japanese procrastination cure, 4,000 students. And you can see that you can find all of this information very simply over at the YouTube channel, right? Now, I promised you that I was going to show you how to make passive income. Now, this might be something that 99% of you watching this video will not do. But if you are the 1%, you're actually going to do this and take action on it. And that is going to be step 3, make a YouTube channel. And the real reason you want to make a YouTube channel is that, for example, Brian Ansey here, he has obviously the courses, he has people coming from Skillshare to his courses just through that. But I don't like to be just on one platform. But what if he wanted to supercharge his growth and get faster students, a lot more students, easier? Well, he would have to start making his own YouTube channel. And it's not as hard as doing the exact same thing we did in the beginning to learn the best tips and share that with the world in your unique way. Doesn't that make sense? You take a little bit of this, you take a little bit of that, you take a little bit of this, and then you make your own video from that. You can even do it without showing your face. You can see this is a software called Doodly, which has whiteboard animation. You can see that this is actually a full type animation, which is a little bit harder to do. This guy is talking into the microphone, actually showing his face. And this guy doesn't even use his own clips. He just uses clips from other people that he curates and plops into his own unique video. So can you see yourself making $10,000 just quickly going on a Google search and learning, taking some notes, figuring out the best tips for this niche, and then making a simple little course about exactly what you learn? Because there's a saying that if you just read one book, you'll get smarter than 99% of the world. But if you read 2 books on that subject, you're smarter than 99.99% of the world. And the exact same thing is with, for example, focus. If you watch 10 videos purely based around focus, you pretty much know more than 99.9% of the world in that specific area. And that's when you'll learn that, shit, actually I know quite a lot about focus, and I could teach what I know about focus to other people. You get what I mean? That's pretty simple, right? You can be an expert just by doing the research. And now you're making courses on Skillshare, and you're making a YouTube channel, and these will have immense chemistry. Like yin and yang, you will give value in the YouTube channel as well as give value to the course members, and everybody is happy. The world is getting a better, more awesome place just because you decided to take action.